Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this Rosewill RK-9100 illuminated mechanical gaming keyboard, and this is the version with the Cherry MX Blue switches. A couple of things to note before getting into the box. You get the Cherry MX Blue switches, which is a personal favorite of mine because it's both clicky and tactile, and that means you feel both the bump and hear the click when the activation point is hit. Now, one more thing is that you also get 6-key rollover, which means you get simultaneous 6-key presses without conflict. Here's everything that comes in the box. You get the user manual and the keyboard itself, but before we take a look at that, let's see the cabling. You get close to 6 feet of braided cable and 2 gold-plated USB connectors. And why is that? So you can power the USB 2.0 hub in this area of the keyboard. So you can plug in peripherals like a mouse or flash drive, whatever you'd like. Now onto the keyboard itself. It is a standard QWERTY keyboard with a full number pad, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove one of the keycaps here using this keycap tool, which is not included with this purchase, to show you the Cherry MX Blues and the LED. This keyboard is fully backlit, and it also comes with 8 multimedia shortcut keys using your function buttons, such as home, mail, forward, backward, your volume keys, as well as 3 modes of illumination and 4 modes of brightness. I plugged in the keyboard so you can take a look at the lighting effects. The caps lock, scroll lock, and num lock are in green, and the rest of the keyboard is in blue. So let's take a look at the 3 modes by pressing function and F9. This is the entire keyboard, of course, and we have gaming mode, what I'd like to call it, with your WASD keys and your directional arrows. And this mode is without your numpad lighted up. And that's about it for that. I mean, that is it for that. And now for the different brightness levels, we can turn the brightness on or off, or dim your keyboard, brighten your keyboard. Here's a quick sound test of the Cherry MX Blues and why I like them so much, so here we go. That wraps up our overview on this Rosewill RK-9100 illuminated mechanical gaming keyboard with the Cherry MX Blue switches. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.